Hello friends, welcome to Career Era. Today we will discuss the modeling of PN junction diode of second method. The second method is the piecewise linear model. As we know that the graph of any PN junction diode is exponential like this. Okay, this is current ID in milliampere and this is voltage VD in volts. The exponential curve in this method, the exponential curve is approximated by two straight lines, line A and line B, where line A is uh, line A with zero slope and line B with slope of 1 upon RD is like this, is like that. This is a line A which have slope zero slope, and this is the line B which have a slope of 1 upon RD. This is the diode resistance, dynamic diode resistance. This yellow line represents line A and this yellow line represents line B. Okay, we can write line A, current for line A, ID is equal to 0. We can see that the current along line A is 0 for the voltage. If we take this voltage VD naught, then current ID equal to 0 for VD is less than or equal to VD naught. Okay, next the current along line B is a ID is equal to VD minus VDD or VD naught upon RD upon RD. Upon RD. For VD is greater than equal to VD naught. If the voltage is less than or equal to VD naught, then at that time current ID equal to 0, and when voltage is greater than equal to VD naught, then current ID is equal to VD minus VDD upon RD. From this circuit, okay, now we can write the expression from these two equations and draw the circuit is like that. This is a diode and this is a voltage across diode VD naught, and this is a dynamic resistance RD VD naught, and this is represented ideal diode, and voltage across this to this terminal is VD. This model is also known as this model is also known as battery plus resistance model, because in this model we can represent a diode as a battery VD naught and resistance RD naught. So piecewise linear means for that particular particular the diode current is linear and with slope 0, and for that particular diode current is a linear with slope 1 upon RD. So we can conclude that in piecewise linear model, exponential model can be converted into two different currents, zero currents and linear current with resistance 1 upon RD with slope 1 upon RD. So next class we will discuss the constant voltage drop model of the PN junction diode. Thank you.